Babies are 7 days old now. They're so cute. They're so fluffy. I love them. I love them all. She's being a good mama. Although she just lay on them. They are all managed to wiggle out without my assistance, but still. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Go back that way. Mama's that way. I think I've decided on birds of prey names. So we're going to have oh, let's see if I remember them all now. There we go. So the darkest one, she's got the normal amount of toes. She's going to be Kestrel. She has the umbilical hernia. And this one with the 7 toes is going to be Hawk. And this one will be Falcon. And I believe... Well, I haven't decided which one's going to be which. One is going to be Merlin and one is going to be... oh, I forgot their last name. I want to say... I don't remember it. But we'll say for sure later. Not sure yet. Someone suggested some Harry Potter names that would work really well because these two would be Fred and George. But I had already decided on the hawk name or on the birds of prey names, so we'll see. They're so precious. And Mama's just like, I'm chill. She likes to have someone with her. She's lonely. But this is the warmer room, so she gets to be in this room with Kaylin. They all happily doing what they do. Alright, bye-bye.